What if I told you there was a fighter jet with no tail, no vertical stabilizers, and unmatched stealth? A jet designed to dominate the skies without ever being seen. This was not science fiction. This was the Lockheed Martin X-44 MANTA, a radical concept that could have changed air combat forever. So why was it never built? The answer lies in secrets hidden deep within its design. Every modern fighter jet has one thing in common: a tail. Those vertical stabilizers are crucial for controlling the jet's yaw and stability. But Lockheed had a bold idea. What if we removed the tail altogether? The X-44 MANTA, or multi-axis no-tail aircraft, was designed as an evolution of the F-22 Raptor, but with a crucial difference: no vertical stabilizers, a pure delta wing design for extreme maneuverability and full reliance on thrust vectoring for control. This meant less drag, more fuel efficiency, and unmatched stealth, because without tail fins there was nothing for radar to detect. In theory, it was the perfect stealth jet, but in reality it faced a problem. The X-44 was too advanced for its time. By removing the tail fins, Lockheed placed total control in the hands of thrust vectoring, a system where the jet's engines would direct airflow to make turns. The F-22 already had thrust vectoring, but the X-44 needed it to be 100% reliable, because without stabilizers, the jet had no backup control surfaces. If anything went wrong, the pilot had no way to recover. The U.S. Air Force loved the concept but ultimately chose a safer, more conventional design: the F-22 Raptor. The X-44 faded into history, never going beyond concept studies. But was the X-44 truly forgotten? Not entirely. Today's sixth-generation fighters like the NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance, seem to borrow heavily from the X-44's vision: tailless, stealth-optimized, and controlled by advanced AI. The B-21 Raider, America's next-gen stealth bomber, also follows the same tailless philosophy. Maybe the X-44 was just too soon for its time. But make no mistake, its ghost still lingers in the future of air combat.